Today's side panel event on ocean acidification was one of the only events on ocean science at the entire COP. Ocean acidification is still an emerging topic, and most of us have a long way to go before we really understand what's going on.
Unfortunately, I have no idea.
Well, let's see.
Well, ocean acidification is
I know that, of course, it's the level of CO2 building up in the ocean.
So ocean acidification would be a slow reduction in the degree of basicness in the ocean.
I don't know what it is exactly because, that's why I'm here. I want to know about it.
Ocean acidification is a complex process. Let's try to break it down so that it's a little easier to understand. Since the dawn of time, there has been a stable ratio of how much CO2 is in the atmosphere and how much CO2 is in the ocean. Over the last billion years or so, animals have lived and died in the ocean. When they died, they sank down to the bottom, where they were buried in the mud and became fossil fuels. Fast forward a couple million years, and enter the humans to remove the fossil fuels. Since humans started burning fossil fuels, all of the carbon that had been buried over a billion years is being released in just a couple hundred years. But that timeless relationship between CO2 in the air and water is still with us. So putting extra CO2 in the air means that some of it will be forced into the water. As soon as CO2 enters the ocean, it reacts with water, and this makes the ocean more acidic. So those are the basics of ocean acidification. Scientists are studying all of the effects that ocean acidification can have on marine life, and have found that most of them are pretty ugly. If you'd like to know what they are, watch our friend Lauren's talk from today's side panel event on ocean acidification.